Sine inverse y is equal to sine inverse x under root 1 minus x minus root x under root 1 minus x squared. You should, x is between 0 and 1, it is given. Find what is dy by dx. This is another board question we have. Outside is sine inverse, so I want this should create in terms of sine, and then we should simplify. So here in this case, just check. This is x, this is root 1 minus x, this is root x, and this is 1 minus x squared. So here, one thing you should keep in mind, let x will be sine theta. So this will be sine theta. Here we write this as root x whole square. Then I take root x will be sine of 5. When you do this, then the result come out to be y is equal to sine inverse. X will be what? Sine theta. This will come root of 1 minus sine square 5. My theta means sine inverse x. And this will be sine inverse of root x. Then only the thing is they are asking differentiate. So dy by dx will be what? 1 by under root of 1 minus x square. And minus, this will come out to be what? 1 by under root of 1 minus root x whole square. And root x derivative will be 1 by 2 root x. That way you can get your result. This is the question we got in board exam 2010. Next question, please. If y is equal to sine inverse 2x by 1 plus x square, plus cos inverse 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square, and x is given between 0 and 1. So who can tell this result now? What assumption I should take? This is 2x by 1 plus x square. Is it sine 2 theta form if you take x as tan theta? And here it is again x you take tan theta, this will come out to be cos 2 theta. So here assumption will take x will be tan theta. When you do this, y will be equal to sine inverse 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta. And then come out to be cos inverse 1 minus tan square theta by 1 plus tan square theta. Then it will come out to be sine inverse sine 2 theta plus cos inverse cos 2 theta. Now just check here. X is tan theta, so tan theta comes out to be between 0 and 1. So theta is between 0 and pi by 4. And we are concerned with 2 theta. So when you 2 theta you take, it will come 0 to pi by 2. When it is 0 to pi by 2, there is no problem here, no problem here. I should say it will be 2 theta, this is also 2 theta. Then come out to be 4 theta. 4 theta means 4 tan inverse of x. And now differentiation you can do. Dy by dx will be equal to 4 by 1 plus x squared. Next question, please. Y is equal to tan inverse x by 1 plus 6x square I have to differentiate this. Tan inverse x by 1 plus 6x square, we have to differentiate it. Now in this question again tan formula is there, so it's better you start with this tan inverse. This is 6x, means I can write this as 3x minus 2x, and here I write down 1 by 3x into 2x. So it will come out to be tan inverse a minus b by or x minus y by 1 plus xy. So formula says tan inverse 3x minus tan inverse 2x, where the condition should be 3x into 2x should be greater than minus 1. So this is the formula we have already done. Now I go for dy by dx, very simple question now. Tan inverse 3x means 1 by 1 plus 9x square into 3. And here it will come 1 by 1 plus 4x square into. So this question also you should keep in mind, you can do it. Another question please. Y is equal to cos inverse 2x minus 3 under root 1 minus x square whole divided by root 13. Question is you differentiate it. Again the problem is cos inverse here, and we want this to be in cos again. So I should say 2 by root 13 into x minus 3 by root 13 and under root 1 minus x squared. Now I want this should convert in cos. So I need this is cos, this is cos, this is sine, this is sine. So I take cos theta is 2 by root 13. And cos phi comes out to be simply x. Then if cos theta is there, this is the triangle we have. Theta cos is base over hypotenuse. So what this will come? Root of 13 minus 4. That come out to be how much? 9, so it is 3. So 3 by root 13 will become sine theta here. And when you put x as cos phi, so it will become sine phi here. So now we'll do the substitutions here. 2 by root 13 will be simply cos theta. X will be cos phi minus 3 by root 13, that will be sine theta. And when you take under root 1 minus cos square phi, it will be coming sine of. So the formula is cos inverse cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. Formula says cos inverse cos of theta plus phi. Or it is come out to be theta plus phi. What is theta here? Theta will be cos inverse 2 by root 13. And cos phi will be what? Plus cos inverse of x. Now when you differentiate dy by dx will be equal to, this is a constant here, so its derivative is 0. This is cos inverse x, yeah, I know the derivative, under root 1 minus x. 1 by under root 1 minus x square. This is another question. Some are finding problem in inverse. I told that you should revise your inverse, which we have done before holidays. Whoever joined now, they should go on the recordings which we have done in inverse. All the questions I have done, all the concept I have done. So please read it. Please go through those videos and identify how you can solve it. And one question definitely on the differentiation coming in terms of inverse. So an inverse, I told you, till you will not simplify and differentiate, you will not get marks for it. Next question please. Differentiate sine inverse 2 power x plus 1 into 3 power x by 1 plus 36 power x. Question is, you should solve this or you should differentiate this. What I should do here, can you tell? Sine inverse is there, so formula should be in terms of sine here. And how you can get it? If you remember, 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan squared theta will be giving this formula. So what I do here, it is 2 power x plus 2 power 1 as it is. Wait a minute, wait a minute. Yes, please. Two power 1, it will be 2 power x into 3 power x will write. And here we will write 1 plus 6 power x whole square. Just check here. 2 a 2 power x, 3 power x, it is 6 power x whole square. You can write this as sine inverse 2 times 6 power x by 1 plus 6 power x whole square. Now what assumption? 6 power x will be tan theta. When you go for this, y will be sine inverse 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta. Is it right? 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta. Then it come out to be sine inverse sine 2 theta. Or it is clearly comes out to be 2 theta, or I should say 2. Theta will be what? Tan inverse 6 power x. And after getting this, now it's very simple to solve. Dy by dx comes out to be 2 as it is. Tan inverse 6 power x, so 1 by 1 plus 6 power x whole square, and then 6 power x when you take a power x will be a power x log a. So I should write this as 6 power x log of 6. A power x derivative you have already done, a power x log a. Next question please. Differentiate y is equal to cos inverse sine of x. Very simple question I am asking from you. Please do it. This can be a 1 mark question. Cos inverse sine x. How to start? This should convert in cos. If you want to solve this question, we will write this as cos inverse cos of pi by 2 minus of x. Then when you solve it, it will come simply pi by 2 minus of x. And then you know how to differentiate. Dy by dx comes out to be minus. So very simple question. You should know it. One more question right now, please. Differentiate y is equal to tan inverse a plus b tan x by a minus b tan x. This is the question we have. Yes, anyone? Y is equal to tan inverse a plus b tan x by a minus b tan x. I told you this tan inverse, so it should be in terms of 10. And I told that this result always you should create 1. And if you want to create 1, it should be divided by a. So I write down this as tan inverse. 1 minute, there is a question I'm finding. It's b minus a. Sorry, here it is b minus. Now we divide it by b. When you divide it by b, it will come a by b plus of 10x divided by 1 minus a by b tan of x. And now you know this is tan inverse a by b plus tan inverse 10x. Interval is not given, so simply write down x and solve it. These are the questions today I have completed on inverse. Next time I'll be starting differentiation on explicit, already we have done implicit function. So next time you will be starting with the implicit functions derivative. And that part you should understand.